You really need nothing to be more spiritual because you are already pure consciousness and you don't need to do anything to become that which you already are. Happiness is your true nature. Freedom is your very nature. You are always free, whether you believe it or not. And you don't require any kind of spiritual practices, sadhanas, purification, meditation, yoga, or any kind of kriyas. Nor you have to do any kind of good karmas, sacrifices, or to please any god. Every pore of your being is made up of consciousness. Just like a wave is not separated from the ocean, it may look to be an individual wave from outside, but the source is the ocean itself. Similarly, you may also look to have an individual body from outside, but deep within, the essence is same. The source is same. You are not separated from existence. You are existence in itself. When you go deep within yourself, you become the ocean. So there is nothing that you really have to do to be free. Just an understanding of your true nature is all required. Realization of who you are is enough to bring the transformation in your life.